Hey guys, so it's Emmanuel here, and in this video I'll be going over the AI growth system that we're implementing for our clients right now and scale their company from multiple 4 5 figures to 6 7 figures in months and on a yearly basis. Now this is a live breakdown, step by step, pillar to pillar, of what we do from start to finish for any company we onboard and how we have grown them. Now, before going that, the proof is in the pudding. We just have to show proof to show that we know what we are doing, to show credibility, and to show how long we have been doing this and how we have been implementing this for clients. Now, this is a live testimonials from clients we have worked with. These are lots and lots and lots of testimonials, live results from the clients we have worked with. We have a lot we can show. We have a lot. There's a lot to go over here, but because of this video, in order to avoid this video from being long, I will not be able to go over everything, but these are just few. We have a lot of testimonial. We have revenue screenshots that we have done for our clients and all. So if you want a breakdown of each of these clients, you can reach out to me and I'll give you their number and talk to them on how we did this, just to show credibility and show proof that we know what we are doing, and we've been doing this for a long time, about 4 5 years now. So now back to the breakdown of how we implement this system. It comes down to three pillars. The first pillar is you getting leads. The second pillar is talking about the appointment setting. Then the third pillar is the sales, and that is the differentiation between us and every other marketing agency. Now, majority of these marketing agencies are how they're selling you just pillar one. They tell you pay me 2 grand, pay me 3 grand, pay me 4 grand for ads, but ads does not translate into cash. Leads does not translate into cash. A lot of things happen on the back end. How do you convert this lead into appointment? How do you convert this appointment to show up? How do you convert them to show up? How do you get them to close and eventually you jump on their roof to replace it? So that's the whole process that we go over with our own consulting company, and that is how we are different from every other marketing agencies out there. Now, on the pillar one, what we first of all do is that we fill the onboarding form. This is a form that consists of all the informations we need to structure and run a complete marketing system in terms of the ads, the type of funnel you want, the type of offers you run, your service areas, just basically everything we need to ensure that we are running the right system. Then after that, we create ads with human looking AI actors. Now, we create, one of the funny thing we do is we create ads using AI. We train this AI to know more about your business, and we give it a human form and human empathy and psychology, and this AI ads runs and it works like a real human, explaining your roofing business and getting to pull in more human leads, because when humans see our fellow human on screen, they tend to take more actions compared to just running as compiling roofs image and all. Then once we create that human looking AI ads, then we send these ads to you for approval, because definitely we need to get your approval to see if you are cool with it. Then after that, then we launch these ads, then leads starts flowing. So after the leads start flowing, the next thing, we move to the next stage, which is the appointment setting stage. And in this stage, this is where we built an AI calling appointment setter. We build this AI caller, and this AI calls all the new lead that comes in immediately. Then after this AI calls them, then this AI caller set new appointments into your calendar, then calls and remind this lead to show up for the appointment. So that is what the second system is all about. So having the system dialing in place, we have the lead dialed in, we have the system to ensure that these appointments are showing up. Then the final system is the sales, and what we usually do here is you have to provide us with about 5 recent sales recording. Then we plug them into our sales oriented AI platform. Then we work on this script and we optimize the script better. Then we send you the new script for your approval. Then you just test this script and iterate into your business. So as you can see, this is a fully fledged system, an AI infrastructure roadmap, where we are covering everything from lead gen, from how you are getting the leads, from how this lead are showing up on an appointment, from how these leads are closing. So we cover everything from start to finish, and how you can deploy this Apex AI growth system Now this is a system you want to implement, and this is what we implement exactly step by step, and this is how we generated thousands and lots of these results for our clients. Now this is the life match. You can see here, we say we closed the 47k roofing deal working with 30 days working with Emmanuel system. Now this system pays off for himself. Imagine closing a deal of 47k, and the whole breakdown of this system just amounts to about 10k. So spending 10k, spending 15k, and making 47k just from one closed deal is a lot of profit, is a lot of growth in terms of revenue. So if you want to deploy the same exact system and walk you through everything on how you can implement the same system for your business, just click the link below in the description of this video. I'll be right there to walk you through a step by step on how we can deploy this also into your business, and how you can start seeing the same exact results in the next 60 to 90 days. And that'll be all for now. Bye.